Guess the animal quiz. Let's see how many you can guess before the time runs out. 1. I am big, gray, and have a long trunk. Who am I? A. Elephant. B. Hippo. C. Rhino. A. Elephant. 2. I can fly and I lay eggs. Who am I? A. Cat. B. Bird. C. Snake. B. Bird. 3. I am the fastest land animal. Who am I? A. Cheetah. B. Tiger. C. Horse. A. Cheetah. 4. I have a long neck and I eat leaves from tall trees. Who am I? A. Elephant. B. Giraffe. C. Camel. B. Giraffe. 5. I hop and I carry my baby in a pouch. Who am I? A. Rabbit. B. Kangaroo. C. Deer. B. Kangaroo.